How to fix login error in Jack in the Box application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem in the app, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on your control center and turn on your Wi-Fi to connect to a Wi-Fi. After that, if you are still facing any problems while logging in, simply go to your settings, click on General and click on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and navigate yourself to the Jack in the Box application. Tap on Show All, and here you'll see the Jack in the Box application. Tap on it and click on Offload App. Tap on Offload App and simply reinstall the application. By doing so, what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if you are still facing any other kinds of problem in the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any further questions, do comment down below.